Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Google Analytics 4 user access permissions, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Google Analytics 4 property. Sign in to your Google Analytics account. Navigate to the admin section located at the bottom left corner. In the admin panel, select the property for which you want to disable user access. Once the property is selected, look for the Property Access Management option. Click on Property Access Management. In this section, you will see a list of users with access to your property. Locate the user whose access you wish to disable. Hover over the user's email address. You will see a pencil icon appearing next to their email. Click on the pencil icon to edit user settings. In the dialog box that appears, find the option to remove the user's access. Click on the trash can icon to delete the user's access permissions. A confirmation window will pop up to confirm the action. Confirm that you want to remove the user by clicking on the appropriate button. Once the user is removed, their name will no longer appear in the list. You have successfully disabled user access permissions for the selected user. Repeat this process for any additional users you wish to remove. After finishing, close the admin panel to return to your dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.